welcome to day 2 of your 10-day mindful morning challenge. This morning we have my ultimate favorite breathwork practice, Kapalabhati. So find something to sit on, sit up nice and tall. Again, I'm sitting on this blanket. You can sit on a block, pillow, whatever. Just elevating your hips a little above your knees so you have this nice open space. So Kapalabhati is a short, sharp exhale out of the nose repeatedly. And if you haven't done this before, you can take it slowly. And if you're familiar, you can take it as fast as you like. So let's go ahead and take a little stretch to begin. So just get into our bodies, interlace your fingers, press the palms forward, and just round through the spine. You can take it from side to side, getting into those shoulders, getting into the back, just waking up the body. And then take it up and overhead. So take a nice big stretch, reach the arms up, and then you can take a little tick-tock from side to side, getting a nice side body stretch. Nice way to wake up. And then let's take some circles. So go around and up and around and up, and stop and go the other way. So let's do one more of those. Reach the arms up and overhead, and just take a little shoulder floss. Be mindful not to stick your head forward. Keep your head nice and straight. Go one way and go the other way. Good. And reach up, look up, little back bend, and then let that go. Okay, so Kapalabhati breath. Let's reach the arms up into a nice big V. Form your hands into tiny little cups that could catch any good grace that is raining down from above. And this practice is beautiful for clearing any stagnation in the body. So we're really cleansing the body. We are waking up and energizing. So let's get into it. Take a nice big breath in. Let it go. Breathe in a comfortable amount and start pumping the air out. So keep going like this. So all we're doing is blowing air out of the nose. Imagine that you're kind of blowing your nose over and over again. And as you do that, your belly button is snapping up and in, up and in, up and in as the air goes out, out, out. You make it quite forceful, so you're really pushing the air out. You're clearing the body, cleaning the body, cleansing the body. Keep going here. We've got another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a big breath in through the nose. Hook the thumbs overhead. Hold the breath. Pull the arms back. Drop your chin towards your chest. Take 3 sniffs of air in through the nose. 1 sip in through the mouth. Retain the breath, hold. Sit up nice and tall. Elongate through the spine. See if you can find softness, even though we're holding and retaining this breath. You've got this. And when you're ready to let go, pop the cork. Slowly let the arms drip down, bring them into your lap. Maybe you feel a tingling sensation. Maybe you feel a little more clear-minded, energized, awake. And then bringing your hands to touch at heart center. Drop the chin towards your chest. We've cleared the body of anything that we no longer need, that no longer serves us. So this might be a nice time to set an intention for your day. How do you want to feel? Take a full breath in. Let it go. Complete the eyes open. Lift the gaze. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you tomorrow.